Plusso, I've been reading this book on addition today. It says that three-digit numbers can also be added. Oh, can you teach me how to do that?
Actually, Amber, I'm learning three-digit addition too. So I don't know enough to teach you.
Oh, that's a little disappointing.
I know. I would have loved to teach you more addition. Oh, I know what I can do to help you. I will introduce you to my teacher, Miss Orley.
Who's Miss Orley?
Miss Orley is an owl. She lives on the highest branch of this tree. She is the best person to tell us more about addition.
Wow! When can I meet her?
I will take you to meet her right now. Come, hold my wing. Good morning, Miss Orley. How are you today?
I'm fine, Plusso. It's good to see you here. Who is this with you?
This is my friend Amber.
Good morning, Miss Orley. Plusso says that you are the best teacher of addition. So I was wondering if you could teach me the addition of three-digit numbers.
Of course. I love teaching youngsters. You and Plusso can learn together.
Thank you, Miss Orley.
Before I start teaching, let me prepare a blackboard. Let me see. Yes. I will use magic to convert this mango into a writing board. Now we are ready to start with the lesson. Okay, so first we will add 438 and 293 using the long way of addition. First, we need to expand these numbers. For example, 438 is expanded to 400 plus 30 plus 8. Amber, why don't you try to expand 293?
Sure, Miss Orley. 293 can be expanded to 200 plus 90 plus 3.
That's correct, Amber. Now we will add 8 and 3. We get 11. Next we add 90 and 30. We get 120. Finally, we add 400 and 200 to get 600. We need to check if any number we get after addition can be expanded further. In our example, 120 can be further expanded into 100 plus 20. Now that we have expanded the numbers, let's start with the addition. First, we need to add the hundreds. Then we will add the tens. Plusso, would you like to try doing this?
Yes, Miss Orley. We add 600 and 100 to get 700. And 20 plus 10 gives 30.
That's right. The last step is to calculate 700 plus 30 plus 1 to get 731. This will be the answer to the addition problem.
Miss Orley, is there a short method of adding three-digit numbers?
Oh yes. Let's add 438 and 293 using the short way with carry. Before we start, we will identify the hundreds, tens and ones places. Now we add the ones together So, 8 ones plus 3 ones gives 11 ones. 11 ones can be expanded into 1 10 and 1 ones. So we write 1 1 under the ones column and carry over 1 10 to the tens column. Next we add the tens. Thus, adding 3 tens plus 9 tens plus the 1 10 carried over gives 13 tens. We will expand 13 tens into 100 and 3 tens. Again we write the 3 tens under the tens column and carry over the 100s to the hundreds column. The last step is to add the hundreds. 400s, 200s and 100 carried over will give 700s. We write 7 under the hundreds column. We get the same answer as from the long way of addition, 731.
Let's go over the addition of 3-digit numbers with carry. To add 438 and 293, we add the ones first. 8 ones plus 3 ones give 11 ones. We write 1 under the ones column. We carry over 1 to the tens column. Now we add the tens. 3 tens plus 9 tens plus 1 10 carried over give 13 tens. We write 3 under the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Finally, we add the hundreds. 4 hundreds plus 2 hundreds plus 100 carried over give 7 hundreds. In this manner, we get the final answer, 731. Miss Orly, Amber and I would also like to learn how to add 3-digit numbers.
I think you and Amber know a lot about addition already. So I will give you 3 numbers and both of you can tell me how to add them. Are you willing to give it a shot?
Yes.
Alright then. Let me change this mango to an apple. Just for fun, you need to add 147, 152 and 239. Amber, you tell me, how will you start?
Oh, yes! Yes! Well, the ones need to be added together first. Adding 7 ones, 2 ones and 9 ones give 18 ones. 18 ones can be expanded to 110 and 8 ones. 8 ones can be written under the ones column. And 110 can be carried over to the tens column. The second step is to add the tens. 4 tens plus 5 tens plus 3 tens plus 1 10 carried over give 13 tens. 13 tens are equal to 103 tens. We will write the 3 under the tens column and carry over the 100 to the hundreds column.
Correct! Now Plaso, you tell me the next step as well as the solution.
The third step is to add the hundreds. 100 plus 100 plus 200s plus 100 carried over gives 500s. I will write 5 under the hundreds column. The answer to the problem is 538.
That's perfect. Both of you have done very well.
Thank you for teaching us, Miss Orly.
I enjoy teaching enthusiastic youngsters like you. You can visit me anytime you have a problem with addition.
Sure,
Miss Orly.
Bye for now.
Let's go over the addition of 3-digit numbers with carry. To add 147, 152 and 239, we add the ones first. 7 ones plus 2 ones plus 9 ones give 18 ones. We write 8 under the ones column. We carry over 1 to the tens column. Now we add the tens. 4 tens plus 5 tens plus 3 tens plus 1 10 carried over give 13 tens. We write 3 under the tens column and carry over 1 to the hundreds column. Finally, we add the hundreds. 100 plus 100 plus 200 plus 100 carried over give 500s. In this manner, we get the final answer, 538.
I hope you had fun learning about the addition of 3-digit numbers. Here are the important points of this topic. Addition of 2 3-digit numbers with carryover is performed when adding 2 ones gives tens or when adding 2 tens gives hundreds. Addition with carry can be done in 2 ways. Long way of addition with carry. In this method, numbers are expanded before adding. Short way of addition with carry. Here, numbers are directly added by counting forward.